Hi friends, and welcome to today's video. I'm gonna show you 3 easy ways to resize your pants. The first method is best for thinner pants with a removable button. You'll need some scissors, a seam ripper, a safety pin, and thread and needle. First, you need to measure how tight you want your pants to be. Don't make the same mistake I did. I recommend you to sit down to make sure it isn't too tight, because it definitely was too tight for me. Take your safety pin and mark how tight you want your pants to be, but be careful not to hurt yourself. Next, you're gonna take the seam ripper to remove the button and place it at its new position. Take your thread and needle and start sewing the button in place. And there you have it. If you won't be able to zip it up because you're altering the tightness too much or the fabric is too thick, then I recommend you to use one more button to replace the zipper. The second method is a tiny bit more complicated, and I recommend it for pants that don't have a removable button. You'll need elastic, 2 safety pins, thread and needle, and a seam ripper. Make a cut right at the back of the belt loop. I'll tell you why later. Here you can see I made the cuts on the sides of my pants, but I later decided to make them at the front so the elastic doesn't crumple up at the back of my pants, but it's distributed evenly. Now take the safety pin and pull the elastic through the tunnel. When you've reached the end, secure it with a safety pin. Now you gotta try on the pants and decide on the tightness and secure it with another safety pin. Cut off the rest, hide it inside the tunnel, and secure it with some stitches. My recommendation is, the tighter the elastic, the more stitches you need to secure it. And now you see why I made the cuts at the back of the belt loops. This way you can hide the stitches pretty well. And lastly, you can distribute the elastic evenly and you're done. The third method is best when you have pants that are a little bit too loose, but only sometimes. One day they fit me perfectly and other days they are a tiny bit too loose. So what I do is I take a piece of fabric that is normally used as an accessory, and I pull it through the belt loops at the back. If you want, you can also use it as a regular belt, but I prefer to tighten it at the back and to make a bow. It's actually not that easy, but practice makes perfect. You can also ask someone for help if you want to. And there you have it, 3 easy ways to resize your pants, depending on your pants and the time on your hands. Yes, I know, it rhymes. I hope that you enjoyed this video and see you in my next one. Bye!